Another impressive feature of the Reader Pen is its ability to make audio recordings. To record, simply select the recorder option on the main screen, and then press OK to record.
Classic experimental method in terms of having explicit quality framework, and we increase the pressure for wider concepts of qualitative research to be.
Press back button to stop recording. The pen will ask you to save the recording. Click Yes and you will see the file name appear on the pen. Plug the pen into your device with the USB cable and select U-Disk. Once the C610R folder appears in your folder, select the eRecorder folder and then the audio file you wish to hear back. Your device will then play back your audio file.
Classic experimental method in terms of having explicit quality framework, and we increase the pressure for wider concepts of qualitative research to be.